Hello, this is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the Sea Where I Live. Doing more videos on the periodic table of elements and the chemical symbols and the atomic numbers because I think it's good to know them automatically. So when you get into a conversation with someone, or you're taking up chemistry or a quiz in class or whatever, it's good to know right off the bat. Everything, like a parakeet will repeat everything. Your mind should already be able to rapidly dish out the in conversation or in test or quiz the chemical symbols, element's name and the chemical symbols and atomic numbers of the element. For example, let's take Fl, capital F and a small l. A capital F and a small l is the chemical symbol for a new element that was put on the periodic table of elements not too long ago, just recently. It's Flervovium, capital Flervovium. I'm going to put all this down in the periodic table down below. I mean the description box below. Excuse me, I have a tendency of mixing them both together. The description box below will have all this, okay? Don't worry about it. So capital F and L is a chemical symbol for Flervovium. And it has the, believe it or not, it's very heavy. It has the atomic number of 114. 114, so it's very heavy element. Well, at least you know the atomic number, the element. It's a synthetic chemical element that was created in the laboratory. That's what it means by when something is synthetic. It means it was created in the laboratory. In this case, it was, it's new, and you're going to see it if you have an updated version of the periodic table of elements. I don't have it. See here, 114 here. It's right here. I got the capital U, U, G, or Q, capital U, U, Q. This is not an updated version. This is why I know how it is to be the way, to not to have the right, proper periodic table. I know how it is. So that's why I'm helping you in case you need help. Okay? All right. So it's Flervovium. And here's some names. Flo, capital F-L-O, Flo. You've seen that Flo, the name Flo. Flo, from the commercial, and then you see it, Flo from the TV show Alice. Flo is a common name. You see it. Okay? What's that, progressive for Flo? Yeah. The progressive commercial. F, capital F-O-L-O, capital F-L-O. This is the simplest way for me to, the name for you to know about the chemical symbol. This is the easiest name. Okay, it has 3 letters. Now listen here. You got the name Flo is spelled capital F-L-O. Now you got the F-L, and in the bottom you have 114. That's atomic number. Then you got the O, capital O, and the 8 atomic number for oxygen. Okay, here you go. Flervovium and oxygen. Then I got Flora, F-L-O-R-A. 114 FL, capital F and the L. 8, again, see the flow? Everything is here the same. It's down here, 8 for oxygen. Then we change it, everything changes with the capital R and the A for radium. And that's 88. And radium is spelled capital R-A-D-I-U-M. So everything's the same as flow, it's the same here, but then you get to the R-A, it's different. Then you got Floy, capital F-L-O-Y. Now you have flow here, F-L-O-Y, so you got the 114 and the 8, like you do here with flow. But now you got the Y and not the R-A over here. Now you got the capital Y with the Yttrium. The atomic symbol is 39, and that's spelled Y, capital Y-T-T-R-I-U-M. Then you got Flynn, like Errol Flynn and Joe Flynn, and all those people you see on TV and movies, and Flynn, and then Flynn, okay? Capital F-L-Y-N-N. So you got capital F-L for for the new element, Flervovium, which is 114. Yttrium, 39, which is capital Y. Capital N, 7 for nitrogen. And you have another N. Capital N, 7 for nitrogen. And there you go, okay? The description box below will show you all this again. To go there. Then we got Florence, named Florence. So if you know anybody named Florence, or your name is Florence, or anybody you know is Florence, you can use that name to remember all these chemical symbols. So I'm trying to associate these chemical symbols with names of people, so it can make it easy for me to remember these chemical symbols and atomic numbers. You got Florence, Fl, 114. O, so you have flow here. See flow, FLO. You have an 8 for O with an 8 for oxygen. You got the capital R and the E, 75 for Rhenium. Rhenium is spelled capital R, Henium. Then you got capital Ne, which is neon, which is a noble gas, and that's 10 atomic number. Now 75 is for Rhenium. The atomic number is 75, but for neon, a noble gas is 10. Okay. Then you got Florence. Capital Florence. You got Fl, capital F and small l, 114. Again, you got flow, FLO, which is 8. The O is for oxygen, 8 atomic number. Capital Re, 75 for Rhenium. Capital N for nitrogen, 7 atomic number. And capital Ce, 58 atomic number for cerium. Cerium is spelled capital Cerium. Then you got Florentina. You got flow again, capital F, L, and O. So capital FL is 114. Capital O is 8 for oxygen. Of course, FL is for Flervovium. You got capital Re, 75 for Rhenium. You got capital N for nitrogen, is a 7. And then you got Ti. Capital Ti for titanium, which is 22, and titanium is spelled capital Titanium. And then you got capital Na, which means sodium, and that's the atomic number of 11. You got it? Sodium is 11. Okay? Sodium, Sodium. I guess you know. Okay? I want to make another part to this video. I got another page of this, but it's too long. Okay, for now, that'll be all. And I'm going to write all this down in the description box below, okay? Don't worry about it, okay? This wires out to come out to you from the sea where I live. Remember, this new element comes to FL. Be careful, okay? The FL is not always what you think. This is Flervovium. This is not Flervovium. This is L. LA. This is Florene, which is 9, and lanthanum, which is 57. Lanthanum, LA. So FLO is different. The FL here is Flervovium, and F here is Florene. Don't get confused, okay? You have to look at the rest of the word, okay? This is lanthanum, all right? 57, I believe, okay? All right, have a good day, and over and out. Go to the description box below. Bye-bye.